Hello and jolly greetings to everyone. They're celebrating Natasha's special day here in Jollibee News Loud and I'm your party host, Kuya Marvin Tagaro.
And I'm Ate Barbie.
Welcome everyone! This is the happiest place to be. Thirtyland Theme Park Party.
Keep you around my mind, my mind. Something about the way you sound shakes me up and makes me get
Happy birthday, Tasha. I love you. Huwag mo na magbo-boyfriend, ha?
When I get that feeling, you can hear my heart beating. Sweet talk, come on, give it to me. Oh my mind, oh my mind.
Liban sa material na meron ka po, ano po yung pwede mo pang maibigay o may pamana kay Atasha na magagamit niya hanggang sa pagtanda niya?
Pagmamahal at yung takot.
Nakikita ko po yung mga nakapaligid kayo nasa as good people po.
Something about the way you move.
Kunin ko lang po yung attention ng lahat. At po kayo ay tinatawag sa amin ito para ipaalam
And when you talk the way
first
you
thing ngayon.
do, my chest goes boom, 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 boom. Oh
And with
my,
that,
my.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tashi. Pakabalik ka lang kay nanay sa kay Lolo.
Sweet talk, come on, give it to me. Oh my mind, oh my mind, oh my mind, oh my mind.
Happy birthday, Tashi. Sa araw-araw na magkasama tayo. Kasamahan kita hanggang sa paglaki.
Yes, tama yun.
Happy birthday! At tuturo mo sa'yo ang alam kong tama.
Happy birthday, Tasha! Hindi mo man ito maaalala, pero nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos kasi kahit wala si nanay, bumangkot kami sa saya namin. Makawala ka ng pagod, ng lungkot.
Happy birthday, Tashi! I wish you good health. And mas kulitan mo pa kasi pag makulis ka happy si mama. Matatanggal yung pagod niya and be a good kid. Maging mabait. Kay nanay at lolo kasi sila yung nag-aalam.
Sweet talk, come on, give it to me. Oh my mind, oh my mind. Sweet talk, come on, give it to me.
Sana lumaki ka matakot sa Diyos at may
Oh my
pananampalataya.
mind, oh my mind.